prior to being a developer, I was in a situation where overtime was common, working weekends was common, having your holidays cancelled was common. And I was looking to be in an industry where that was no longer the case. Ultimately, I had 2 or 3 phone interviews with different companies. I had face-to-face with one company, and then I reached out to Tails, and I applied speculatively for a job here because they didn't have a junior role at the time. And they got me in pretty quickly, and then I think probably within 3 weeks I had an offer. From finishing the course to getting an offer at Tails was about 3 weeks. The 5-day coding challenge, yes. It was really important actually to do that because it gave me a feel for what the Code Institute was about, and also whether I felt like I could take this seriously and I wanted to go further with it. So it was kind of like the bait on a hook. So by doing that, it just spurred me on to carry on with the Code Institute and to pursue what I was thinking of doing. The Code Institute course is as intense as you like it to be. You can put as much or as little time into it as you want, but I would advise anybody to put as much time as possible into it. The more you put in, the more you get out. So yes, I would definitely recommend the Code Institute. I'm David, and I'm a Code Institute graduate.